Make a great choice today with the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front license plate bracket, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Thinking about purchasing or leasing a car from Scott Robinson? Did you know that your new car is covered with a complimentary lifetime limited powertrain warranty? This is not just the manufacturer's warranty. This is something we bring you exclusively at Scott Robinson Chrysler. We call it the Scott Robinson Advantage. You see, we want a customer for life, so this is included at no extra charge. You're covered for as long as you own the vehicle. Thank you for choosing Scott Robinson.